VQP combines vacuum with controlled atmosphere packaging for the preservation of dry food in bulk. A forklift raises a big bag and our outside liner can be easily installed. The cargo remains palletized and ready to receive our biotreatment. With a mold, you can create the ideal format after applying the vacuum. Besides the big bag involved with an outside liner, VQP has its own big bag with a glued inner liner called the vac sack, and the outside liner to wrap smaller stacked bags on the outside. In more detail, the liner is 200 microns thick, is composed of 7 mirrored layers composed of polyethylene, polyamide, and EVOH gas barrier. The liner is welded and offers guarantees against leaks. The valve is incorporated and can be supplied with or without a filter. The liner top is attached and adjusted to the sealing structure. Finally, the sealer device crosses the rail and thermally seals the liner top. The machine is connected. The machine is started after approval on username and password. Connection to a gas bottle is regulated. The valve head engages the valve and the biotreatment can begin. Set the version, either manual or automatic. The vacuum test is carried out at the head of the valve. The main vacuum and the gas discharge channel are tested too. Start the vacuum process until it reaches the default value. It is recommended 500 millibar of pressure, which is half of the atmospheric pressure. Switch to gas injection mode. Nitrogen or carbon dioxide, or even a mixture of both, can be used. A programmed injection of 800 to 1000 millibar is recommended. You can do as many vacuum and gas injection cycles as you need in order to load the value of oxygen inside the package. It is recommended 1 to 2 cycles to reach a reference value of less than 10% oxygen. Finally, the vacuum is restarted and the process is complete by sealing the valve with a sticker. It is a simple process and easy to implement. The product is now packed in bulk, protected against condensation, oxidation, or infestations. The overall quality of the cargo is ensured, its shelf life increased, and the optimization of the transport achieved.